Spanish-style chicken fricassee. We've browned just in a little bit of olive oil in the same dish, in the same Dutch oven, large skillet, bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs, and took them out. They're not 100% there. They're just browned on both sides with salt and pepper. In the drippings, we added a few just russet potatoes I peeled up, and you let them lightly brown and start to make a little crust on the bottom of the pan. These guys are cooking up just with salt and pepper and fresh bay leaf. This is the magic ingredient.
What is
sofrito? Sofrito, you should make a double batch. I wrote enough for you guys for this recipe. I use peppers and onions, of course, that's the base. And I also add chili peppers, serranos I like for this, garlic, a little tomato paste and fresh tomato. My secret ingredient is minced serrano ham and some capers. So all of that is what's in this jar. And I'm going to add about a third of it to this pan. And this becomes the next layer of flavor in the dish. So we combine the sofrito with the potatoes. And now I want to get all of those chicken bits, the fond, or what's on the bottom of the pan, I want to lift it up. So I'm going to toast some spice and add a combination of a little bit of sherry, dry sherry, and a little white wine. First, we're going to add our paprika, about 2 tablespoons of that, or 2/3 of my palm, and a little smoked sweet paprika as well to add an extra layer of smoky flavor. We're going to add a splash of sherry. I'm going to crank the heat up so that we can start lifting that stuff off the bottom. All of our sherry has evaporated into the potatoes. We've let most of the alcohol cook off. Now we're going to add a little white wine to the pan. Give this a stir.
Why sherry and white wine?
The sherry just adds a depth of flavor to it. And you could use a splash of sherry vinegar as well. And then I add some chicken stock to stretch the sauce. And we're going to slide the chicken back in and cover this to finish cooking the potatoes through. This has been bubbling away about 5 or 6 minutes now. We want to add about 3 roasted peppers to the dish. And I like diced fire roasted tomatoes in this dish because we have the smoky paprika and the charred peppers in there. And then beautiful Spanish olives with pimento, giant Spanish olives all over. All it needs at the very, very end is a little flat leaf parsley on top, which is just grassy and cuts through all those smoky flavors from the smoked paprika.
So beautiful.
And the smoked peppers. And I think dishes like this are best served right from the pot at the table.
Oh, so true.
Goodness.
Right? So either the giant frying pan.
I got you.